Tired of those dreaded fishy burps and wrestling with giant, hard-to-swallow pills just to get your daily omega-3s? This Andrew Lessman Essential Omega-3 Orange might just be the game-changer you've been waiting for. Right off the bat, what truly stands out is the promise of no fishy aftertaste and absolutely no stomach upset. And let me tell you, after trying countless omega-3 supplements, that's a bold claim this product genuinely delivers on. The subtle orange flavor is a welcome touch, making the experience far more pleasant than you'd expect from a fish oil supplement. It's a relief, honestly. But it's not just about avoiding the negatives. This is an ultra-pure, high-potency blend, and the details here are crucial. We're talking about the natural triglyceride form, which is a big deal because it's far superior to the inferior ethyl esters found in so many other brands. This means better absorption and effectiveness for your body. Plus, the focus on high DHA is fantastic, knowing how vital it is for brain and eye health. It's reassuring to know you're getting the good stuff. The manufacturer, ProCaps, really emphasizes purity. They guarantee no mercury, no contaminants, and they back it up by controlling every single aspect of production right in their Henderson, Nevada facility. That in-house manufacturing is a huge trust factor. It means they're not just slapping their label on someone else's product. They're meticulously sourcing ingredients and overseeing the entire process, ensuring what you get is truly clean. And speaking of clean, the ingredient list is impressive for what it doesn't contain. No milk, gluten, soy, yeast, corn, wheat, sugar, artificial colors, or preservatives. It's a comprehensive list that caters to a wide range of dietary needs and sensitivities. You know, it's those little details that show a real commitment to quality and health. The soft gels themselves are small and easy to swallow, which is a massive win for anyone who struggles with larger capsules. It makes taking your daily dose a breeze, not a chore. What really elevates this product beyond just a supplement is ProCap's ethical and eco-friendly commitment. Their facilities are 100% solar-powered with a zero-carbon footprint, and their bottles are made from 100% recyclable post-consumer resin. It's genuinely inspiring to see a company so dedicated to both consumer health and planetary well-being. And their massive donation of prenatal vitamins. That's just incredible. So, if you're looking for an omega-3 supplement that prioritizes purity, potency, and a pleasant experience, all while being backed by an incredibly responsible company, the Andrew Lessman Essential Omega-3 Orange is an outstanding choice. It truly sets a new standard for what an omega-3 supplement can be.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.